In this guide, we are going over the improved fins blueprint location here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off at the life pod itself, you do need to make your way a pretty, far distance. This is going to be about east of the life pod, and it's going to be about 1,300 meters. So go ahead and make your way over to, it's kind of like a giant alien, tower. You need to make your way over there, and it's east of the life pod. If you just head straight, you will run into it. However, I will say you are going to pass through a fire region, or the region that's a little bit hotter, so you may need that heat modification. And of course, you also are going to go right by one of those collector leviathans as well. So just keep that in mind. Try and stay not necessarily super low, but just aware of where the collector leviathan is. Just because he's going to be in that location. But yeah, I'll go ahead and get back with you guys as soon as we reach the alien tower, since we're going to be using that as our main, point of interest for the rest of this tutorial. So this is the giant alien tower right here. Once again, it's about exactly east of the life pod. Here it is right here. Once you're at the giant alien tower, you need to just go right around the backside of it. And a way you can just keep heading east. And you're going to see this little tower thing here as well. That's kind of how you can figure out exactly where you are. Go to the left of the alien tower and directly north of this. And you're going to see a abandoned base right here. Go ahead and make your way down towards the base itself. Instead of actually going in the base, though, if you kind of just look down, you're going to see this little platform. And right on this platform, just kind of sit in here, is going to be one of those blueprints. Simply go ahead and scan it from here. It's going to say scan improved fins. Scan these. There is more than one, though. Of course, there's 3. Here's the coordinates for this one down in the bottom right. You can pause that if you want. From here, go ahead and get back in your vehicle. What you need to do is then go hop in this little sucky thing right here and get sucked and flung, I guess, south, because the next location is going to be located this way. As you continue to head down, and obviously it is going to get a little bit darker, you're going to see this little, I guess human remains in a way over here. Not human remains, but you get what I'm saying. Right inside of this little box, you're going to have that next one right here. So go ahead and scan that. You can also get some good sulfur here as well as a blueprint. Here's the coordinates. Once again, they're in the bottom right if you just want to go directly to those coordinates. But from here, what you need to do is kind of head throughout this platform, I guess, cave system. You need to go northeast, and you're going to see a giant alien base. Try not to hit those guys in the process. Also, that's pretty cool looking. What is this? Enamel husk. I don't know how I have not seen those before. But continue heading northeast. You're going to see a weird looking alien little thing northeast. It is kind of far. It's about 200 meters away. And it's going to be on top of this platform. And you're going to see more civilization stuff right here. The last one's going to be inside of these little crates, just like so. And I'll pause so you guys can see those coordinates once again in the bottom right. But that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.